Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nerf grenade. Okay, first, what you need is about like 7 or 6 bullets. I'm using Elite for this one. Yeah, and then you need like 2 rubber bands. Well, you can use rubber bands or hair ties. I'm using my sister's. Hope she doesn't get mad at me. And then you just fold one over. Twist it like that, fold it twice to make it tight. Then you just do the same thing with the other one. Shit. Okay, you do the same thing with the other one, and then you just twist it back over. Damn it, this is sort of hard. Guys, it might be a little bit hard to do it. And then you just have your full grenade right here. First you want to do is take off the bottom, and you'll be left with all this. Aiming at the wall, and just, dang it, that time didn't work. You might have to spread it out like this. And then aim it at the wall, and then, damn it. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, you're gonna aim it at the wall. Look at that. All the bullets just went everywhere. Okay, guys. That's it for right now for Jesse. Goodbye. And make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And tell me down in the comments below what I should make next. Goodbye.